Hello, this is me, Ali Raza, and I'm a Google Ads partner. Let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is related to bidding strategy. And if you can see the question over here, when do you switch from maximize clicks to maximize conversions in Google Ads? Okay, so hi Ali, I'm trying to understand the best moment to switch bidding strategies in Google Ads. At what points do you usually move from maximize clicks to maximize conversions? Do you want for a certain number of conversions per month, and how many months, for example 20 to 30, or do you base the decision on something else like conversion rate, CPC, stability, or total data volume? For context, this is for a real estate lead generation campaign search. I'm curious what threshold signals other advertisers use before making the switch. Thanks. Okay, so you are asking what is the right time to move from maximize clicks to maximize conversions. For those who don't know, I have been recommending at various places regarding eventually shifting to maximize conversions from maximize clicks as a bidding strategy. But it's a very good that you have asked what is the right time to do it. Okay, first of all, it's not for all of the campaigns. Not all campaigns works well on maximize conversion. Some do, some don't. So everything is a different. There are various factors to decide, including account age, quality score, CTR, your competitors, your offer, product type, the place you are targeting. So many factors to decide on. But usually, in most cases, I'm going to give you an average thing. Okay, this may vary from person to person, so be cautious with it. And if you try to shift to maximize conversions from maximize clicks, please give it some time. Okay, time and patience is the key to develop it. But what is the right time? As your question is, what is the right time? In my opinion, I recommend running for 30 days to be minimum, and minimum 20 conversions, ideally 30 plus conversions, but minimum conversions may be 20, because there are various fields, and because you are asking specific to a real estate lead generation campaign, so in that scenario 30 conversions is minimum. But it's my opinion is you need to run for a month for maximize clicks from day 1 to day 30, or if you are running from day 13, it should go to the next of 13 of every month. Why? Because the buying perception also changes of a user with every day. For instance, you get salaries in the starting days of the month, your budget, your spending, your mindset is different in the first 10 to 15 days of the month, and in the last 15 days you are more into the saving mode. That is a general psychological effect, and the days also plays a crucial role. For some people, Mondays works best. For some, Saturdays, weekends work best. So which is why we need to give sufficient time and data to grab before switching it. So I hope this answers your question. And if anyone needs a professional help with Google Ads, audit, setup, or management services, we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company with the name of ARSWEBS.com, arswebs.com. So if you want to hire me and my team, you can hire us through the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Take care and bye-bye.